Hello everybody, today we make a fettuccine shrimp alfredo. For the ingredient we got fettuccine, parsley, butter, shrimp. The shrimp I left the tail with the shell. I got grana padano, cheese, I got a garlic, half cream, wine. This is a stock for the fish. To make the fish stock we use the shrimp shell. And we use onion, celery, and carrots, and you leave it boil for 1 hour, hour and a half. Okay, now we start with the shrimp. We put a gas on for the pots, and we use oil. Okay, we start with the garlic, and we put this right over here in the oil. Look at that. I want to make a beautiful color of the garlic. Now the shrimp I put already salt and black pepper. Now we put the shrimp on a pot over here. And I want to make a nice beautiful color both sides. We cook on one side, and when it's done on one side we turn on the other side. Okay, I'll lower the gas a little bit and we start to turn on the other side of the shrimp. You see, the shrimp already got a beautiful color. And make sure the shrimp, when you cook, make sure to not cook too much. Okay? After this it come too tough, dry. You see, nice color now. And we turn each one on the other side. Okay, now we put the butter. And this, we gotta make sure the melt really good. The butter all the way around. And the smell is so good. Really, really good. Wait when I put the wine. See, now you leave it melt the butter. Now this you cook on the other side a little bit. And now we use the wine. A little bit over here, but you gotta go over here. Alright, now we leave evaporate all the wine. Look at this, now beautiful. And now when I put the wine, it smells much, much better. Look how beautiful look now this shrimp swim in the wine. But the shrimp like a swim in the ocean. But now I'll leave it swim in my wine. Okay, now we lower the gas and let's take the shrimp out now. And I put it right on this dish over here. Okay, now we cook the fettuccine. This he cook 12 to 13 minutes. And we put it inside the pots. And I put salt already. We give a nice turn. I don't want the fettuccine stick together. You need to cook the fettuccine, especially fettuccine, in a lot of water. But any kind of the pasta, you need extra water all the time. Now the fettuccine gotta cook, like I said, 12 to 13 minutes. We start now with the half cream, and we turn. And we put now the fish stock. In the fish stock I use half, and when I put the fettuccine, and I put more, so we put more extra this one. Okay, we leave it right over here. And now we gotta use little salt, not too much, because the pasta is salty already. The shrimp I put salt, but we need salt for the half cream. And we put black pepper. Okay. And now we give a nice turn. Everything like this. Okay, now the pasta is almost done. And now we put the shrimp back. I want the shrimp to give a good taste with the Alfredo sauce. We raise the flame a little bit. I want this to boil together. Got the fettuccine still you gotta stay like 1 more minute. Okay, now we push the pots right over here. We turn the gas off for the fettuccine and let's take the pasta out. Okay, now we put it back on the same place. We raise the flame a little bit, and now this you gotta cook a little bit more together. Put everything like this, you give a really good taste. It gotta come nice creamy. Okay, now everybody see this, look nice. And we put the cheese. Oh, look at this. We put the cheese all over the place. Now we give a nice turn. Okay, look at this, are beautiful now. Now we got a little bit more fish stock. And we use, cause this fish stock, it give much good taste. And we leave stay a little bit more, but look how nice creamy now. Okay, everything is ready, and let's bring it on the table. And look how beautiful look this. Nice. Okay, now I want to taste. And let's do like that. Okay, now I want to taste the Fettuccine Shrimp Alfredo. And let's put a little bit more cheese on the top. Little parsley, give a little green. And let's taste. And the shrimp, like I say, you got to tell the shell. What do? You squeeze the shell and it's delicious. And with a nice glass white wine and nice cold for the refrigerator, it's really good. But look how beautiful look this dish. Look that. Salute e cin cin devi pare. E we see next recipe. Cin cin. Salute. Oh, so good.